Tinubu believe in one country. He also believed that he will put Nigeria in a right path. You understand? So Tinubu not believe say this country say they don't already share them or somebody won't share them. He don't believe on that. That's why say the situation, the condition where they put him now is making him come out for seat. He don't send anybody message. So him still they believe say Nigeria is one and he's going to put Nigeria in order. So now wait till Tinubu talk. So in they talk this one for one place where they go for an event. So now the speech we give be that say he believe that Nigeria is one and I am going to put Nigeria in the right place. So that's how it be. Don't forget to click down the red button, subscribe and share. And maybe your girl Joy. Bye.